Solve this problem. X square plus x plus 1 greater than 0. Can we use Wavy-Curve method? These are not a linear expressions. So that's why definitely we can't use. This you have to change in linear expressions. It is a quadratic expression. This quadratic expression you have to change in linear expression. Product of linear expressions. Is it possible first? In quadratic equations you have known factorization method, completing the square method, formula method. With the help of that, can we factorize it? First, if any quadratic equation is given, first you observe the discriminant. Observe the discriminant. See, in quadratic equations you have learnt, find discriminant. Discriminant delta equal to b square minus 4ac. What is a value? A is nothing but x square coefficient, b is nothing but a x coefficient, c is nothing but a constant. So now 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. What did you get? Less than 0. Delta less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Complex roots conjugates to each other. That are not a real values. But here in equations, we need only real values. Do you know the graph of it? When delta less than 0, your graph may be like this, or one more graph. How is it? Like this. Entire graph either above x-axis or entire graph below the x-axis. When you will get above the x-axis, when x square coefficient is positive, here a is positive, no? A is positive, then above the x-axis. If a is negative, means x square coefficient is negative, delta less than 0 and a greater than 0, then graph like this. Delta less than 0, discriminant less than 0 and a value means x square coefficient less than 0, then graph like this. Observe the both graphs. This graph is entirely above x-axis, means any real number you take it, input any real number, x value any x value you take it, its corresponding all y values, the corresponding expression always positive because above the x-axis. For all real values, the given expression is positive because here x square coefficient a is positive. So that's why what is the answer of it, can you say? Any real number x you take it, x value, definitely substitute in it, you will get positive only, otherwise check it, any real value. So that's why the solution of this equation is, problem is solved. The solution of this equation is x belongs to all real numbers. One more problem I am giving you. Solve minus x square plus x minus 1 greater than 0. Solve this equation. Means again you have to find the discriminant. What is the a value? A value is minus 1. What is the b value? 1. C value minus 1. What is the discriminant? Find out using this formula. B square minus 4ac. Minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. So what did you get? Again here also you got it minus 3, which is less than 0. For this problem also discriminant you got less than 0. And what is the x square coefficient? X square coefficient is a, that a equal to minus 1, that is negative. Discriminant less than 0, a is negative, then your graph is like this. Entirely below the x-axis. ఇది ఎలా ఉంది? Below the x-axis ఉంది. ఏం చేద్దాం మరి? Below the x-axis అంటే all values, xకి ఏ వాల్యూ అయినా ఇవ్వు, అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది నీకు. అదర్వైజ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ 0 యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ minus 1 less than 0 కదా. బట్ we need the values of x, the expression must be a positive. So are there such kind of values? Are there any real values which satisfies this inequation? No, because Entire below the x-axis is nothing but this entire expression covered in negative y-axis. So that's why output always negative. Input x value, substitute it, you will get negative. But here asked positive values. So that's why your answer is x is a null set. There is no x values. Okay, empty set. Such kind of x values we couldn't get. Third problem, same answer. Solve minus x square plus x minus 1 less than 0. What is the answer? Think it. Just you think it. Same problem. What are the x values to get this expression is negative, means less than 0? Yes, all values no. You take any x value, its related y values are negative only. So that's why here x belongs to real number. So that's why if they are giving quadratic expression, immediately you must see whether its discriminant is less than 0 or not. Mari discriminant greater than 0 వస్తే పరిస్థితి ఏంటి? How do you do? Solve this equation. X square plus x minus 1 greater than 0. Solve. How to do it? So our main motto is find out discriminant. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. B value is 1 whole square minus 4ac. So you will get it 1 plus 4, that is 5 greater than 0. How to do it? Discriminant greater than 0, your graph comes like this, cuts at 2 points. X value 0, you can keep it. Y value minus 1, it cuts the y value at minus 1. Like this. Okay, so now this expression, when we'll be giving positive, that we discussed in quadratic equations, in fact. Okay, here we must find out the x values. So using formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is b value? Minus b value is 1 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. B value is 1 AC, no? C value minus, already we did know here, by 2 is nothing but a minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So what are the zeros? One zero is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Another 0 is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, in fact these are the roots. This is alpha, this is beta. Now you must get it the positive. When will be getting positive expression? Either this side or that side. Related y coordinates positive. No. Between alpha and beta, you are getting only negatives. Graph kindaku undi kada, below x-axis undi kada. Alpha value is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Beta value is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Madhyalo, middle value, between values you take it, its output will get a negative. You must get it positive, means x belongs to from minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 union minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 to infinity. It is your final answer. Okay, good.